Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how to make some analog toms with a low pass gate. First, I'm going to connect the sine output of my VCO into the 12 dB input of the LxD, and the output of that will go into my mixer. I'm going to use one of the channels of Steppy to trigger the strike input of LxD. This should open the gate. Next, I'm going to use one of the envelopes from Maths to control the pitch of my VCO. Much like how we do for Higgs. This results in this very recognizable 80s drum machine tone. If you have other oscillators that output a sine, you could try making low, mid and high toms and make loops with a full kit. But I want to try and make a very different sounding tom. So I'm going to use a noise source, run it through a high-pass filter, and then to my second channel of LxD. This time, I will not use the strike input, since the channel won't sound tight enough. So I'll use instead the other channel of Maths to control the CV input of this low-pass gate. It's a very different sound. Maybe not much for tom, but definitely some useful percussion. Let's start a drum machine and see what happens. Maybe let's change some tricks. With a bit of experimentation and some mixing, we could figure out a way to make a track with these elements. To make toms. Hopefully this will give you some ideas so you start experimenting. Hope you enjoyed this patch.